How to become your own money manager. IMG's Top 18 Membership Benefits. Hello everyone, this is Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. In this video, I will discuss the top 18 benefits of being a member of IMG. For those who are not familiar with IMG, let me give you a short background. IMG offers total financial solution. International Marketing Group, or IMG, is one of the biggest and fastest growing financial services marketing company in the Philippines and going worldwide. In IMG, we are focused on educating Filipinos about personal financial strategies. IMG is the marketing arm of companies in the financial industry. We have healthcare provider, life insurance, investment or mutual funds, real estate. We also have providers for non-life insurance and asset preservation. IMG is patterned in the system of WFG or World Financial Group. WFG is more than 30 years in the US. This coming August 19 and 20, 2017, we will be celebrating our 15 years of making a difference. To know more about IMG, I highly recommend that you attend this big event. We have global campaign for financial literacy. Our target is 1 million financially educated families by 2020. Ngayon, usong-uso na ang membership. Meron tayong Suki card para maka-discount tayo sa Mercury. Meron tayong Aling Puring ng Pure Gold at SNR card para makatipid tayo sa pag-grocery. Meron tayong SM Advantage card para maka-avail ng benefits like discount pag namimili tayo sa SM. When it comes to financial aspect, alam mo bang pwede ka din magpa-member sa IMG para maka-avail ka ng discounts and benefits? Isa-isahin natin ang benefits mo pag nagpa-member ka sa IMG. First, lifetime access to financial education workshops. Number 1 benefit pa lang, sulit na ang membership mo. Last 2012, nagbayad ako ng 6,000 just for a 2-day financial coaching. Mahal pag nag-attend ka ng financial seminars. May 30,000, may 15,000. If you are a member of IMG, kahit ulitin mo pa ang mga workshops, no need to pay every time na mag-a-attend ka. Kasi you have access to our financial classes. May utang ka? We have seminar about debt management. Di ka familiar sa investment options? We have seminars about investments like mutual funds. You want to explore business in the financial industry? We have business classes na free mo rin maa-attendan. Yung iba, sasabihin, Miss Roan, paano yan? Malayo ako sa Makati Financial Center nyo. Nasa abroad ako. Don't worry, we have online trainings na pwede mo ma-access basta may internet ka. For your information, marami na tayong financial centers. We have in Makati, Cebu, Davao, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Macau, Dubai, Singapore. Meron na rin tayo sa Europe and soon sa CDO. Kaya kung malapit ka sa financial center, pwede ka maka-access sa mga live financial and business classes. Second, lifetime free financial check-up. In IMG, may mga financial educators like me na pwedeng mag-guide sa'yo how to build your solid financial foundation. And eventually, you can do it yourself na rin kung lagi ka nakaka-attend ng financial classes natin. Sabi nga, if you think financial wisdom is expensive, then try ignorance. Kaya you need to take charge. We believe in IMG that your future is not in the hands of your employer, your union, or your government. It is neither in the hands of your bank nor your broker. Your future is in your hands. Be your own money manager. Understand how money works. Third, discounts on non-life insurances. Kung ikaw ay may bahay, kotse, advantage na member ka ng IMG dahil di mo na kailangang dumaan sa agent, diretso ka na sa product provider na prefer mo. Ito yung tinatawag na you bypass the middleman. Yung commission na para sa agent napupunta sa'yo kaya lumalabas na may discount ka. Halimbawa, kung may kotse ka na pinapa-insure mo, makakatipid ka din ng 2,000 to 5,000 kada taon kung IMG member ka. Fourth, access to cheap life insurance product and services. Our product provider here is PhilAm Life. This cheap insurance is exclusive to IMG members. Kung ka-age mo lang ako, age 33, nasa 3,680 lang ang babayaran mo for 1 million coverage for 1 year. Kaya ang daming namumurahan at ang reaction nila, talaga premium for 1 year na yan? Ang mura. In IMG, we understand the importance of a breadwinner in a family. Kaya we make sure na maka-access sila sa murang insurance para if something happens to them, if they die too soon or become disabled, may protection ang family. May insurance coverage na makukuha ang family na hindi barya lang. Fifth, discounts from real estate companies. This is one of the reasons bakit ako nagpa-member sa IMG. Para kung kukuha ko ng house and lot, diretso na ako sa company. Di na ako kailangang dumaan sa agent. Kaya discounted na ang price. Imagine kung bibili ka ng house and lot or condominium na worth 3 million. Kung IMG member ka, sabihin na lang nating 2% ang discount mo, 60,000 din ang matitipid mo. Or kung di naman ikaw ang buyer, pwedeng nakapag-refer ka ng friend mo na interested bumili ng bahay or condo, yung 60,000 ay commission mo. Kaya sabi nga, you can learn and earn in the financial industry. Sa IMG, natututo ka na, pwede ka pang kumita. Sixth, access to estate preservation program. Kung may napundar ka na, may house and lot ka na, may investments, make sure na matatransfer na maayos yan sa beneficiary mo. Kaya dito sa IMG, meron din tayong kapartner, APSI Max para mag-guide ka sa estate planning. Mahal ang fee ng mga lawyer, kaya pag IMG member ka, at least mag-guide ka sa estate planning na affordable lang ang legal service. Seventh, access to short-term and long-term healthcare. Ito ang number 1 reason bakit ako nag-join sa IMG noong 2012. Kasi sa IMG ko lang nalaman na may long-term healthcare pala. Kaiser ang product provider. Sa long-term healthcare, may healthcare ka na, may investment and life insurance ka pa. Kaya dito ako nagsimulang mag-invest to jumpstart my solid financial foundation. Meron din short-term healthcare. Ito naman yung health insurance na pwede mong magamit sa consultation. In case of emergency o need mo ma-confine sa hospital, magagamit mo din to. At ang maganda, dahil health insurance to, pwedeng wala ka nang babayaran or discounted ang hospital bill mo. Kaya may mga OFW or seaman na kumukuha ng short-term healthcare for their family. And for those 61 to 100 years old, you can avail senior care at discounted price if you are an IMG member. 8. Access to mutual funds at zero load fee. Mutual fund is an investment vehicle na indirect kang bumibili ng stocks. Dito, may professional fund manager ka na bahalang bumili ng stocks for you. Zero load means wala nang entry fee or charge na binabawas sa initial investment mo or every time na magdadagdag ka ng investment sa mutual fund. This is another discount benefit. As mentioned kanina, ang kagandahan pa dito, may access ka sa mga investment seminars. Naniniwala kasi kami sa IMG na di ka lang dapat invest ng invest. Dapat naiintindihan mo ang investment vehicles. 9. Exclusive membership to the Mutual Benefit Association. Starting June 1, 2017, if you become an IMG member, you have an option to become a member of Fidelity Life. Fidelity Life is a mutual benefit association exclusively created for the IMG preferred members. Magbabayad ka lang ng one-time 500 pesos para sa membership mo sa Fidelity Life. Fill up electronic form with Fidelity Life para makover ka ng 50,000 life insurance with free concierge service through Everest. Eligible for 50,000 life insurance are those 60 years old and below. This is renewable every year, so make sure na active IMG member ka to continue to enjoy this benefit. To be an active member of IMG, you have to pay 1,500 renewal fee every year. Just like any other membership, may renewal din sa IMG. 10. If you are an IMG member, one of the benefits is 24/7 free concierge service. Our partner here is Everest Memorial Services. Malaking bagay na meron kang funeral planning assistance from Everest. Kasi mahirap pag namatayan ka, di mo naiisipin kung san chapel, san mura ang kabaong. If you have a budget of 100,000, bigay mo lang sa Everest. Sila na bahala sa setup. Ang maganda dito, dahil may network na ang Everest, you can avail products and services at preferred or discounted rates. At ang maganda dito, all benefits and services can also be availed for the IMG members' immediate family. If you are single, immediate family mo ang parents and kapatid mo. If you are married, immediate family mo husband and mga anak mo. 11th, access to ozone therapy at discounted price. Our partner here is Ozone International. Ano ba yung ozone therapy? Disease-preventing measure to senior citizens who want to maintain an active lifestyle, to patients who use ozone therapy to complement their prescribed medical treatment. If you are an IMG member, discounted ka sa mga therapy. At kung may ma-refer ka na gustong mag-avail nito, yung discount na para sa kanila ay lalabas na referral fee mo or commission. 12th, Business Ownership Program in the Financial Service. Ito yung benefit na pinakagusto ko sa IMG. Nag-join ako sa IMG June 2012. May full-time job ako noon as accountant. Ginawa ko ang IMG business part-time. Last year, di na ako tumanggap ng accounting service. Nag-focus na lang ako sa IMG kasi maganda yung opportunity. Nag-traditional business din ako noong 2013 at malaki talaga ang involved na money. Business permit pa lang, malaki na babayaran mo. May fixed expenses ka pa like rent, utilities, sahod ng employees, and effort talaga kasi kapag may absent o nag-resign, ako ang gagawa ng mga naiwan sa trabaho. Dumating pa sa point na ang mga empleyado ko may sweldo, ako na may-ari, walang sinesweldo. Kaya ang laking difference sa IMG. Kasi ang IMG, pwede mong gawin online. Walang inventory. Wala kang employees na kailangang pasweldohin kada buwan. Dahil sa IMG, may system na. May admin office para sa support like cashier. First step in doing IMG business is to attend business classes sa financial center na malapit sa'yo. Or kung OFW or taga-province ka na malayo sa financial center, pwede ka naman mag-attend ng online business classes natin. May mga recorded videos din tayo na pwede mong ma-access through IMG app. In IMG Business, we share information. We are focused on providing financial education. We offer total financial solution. If you are an IMG member, you can recommend or offer financial products of our partner companies. Again, we have partner in healthcare, life insurance, mutual funds, real estate, non-life insurance, and asset preservation. 13th, an opportunity to travel the world through IMG Business Program. Like any other traditional company, kapag maganda production mo sa IMG Business, may free trip ka sa IMG. Kagaya din ng traditional company, like kuya ko, sales manager siya. So, nung naging top 1 sales manager siya, may free trip siya to Japan na sagot ng company. Last year, nakapag-travel ako sa Malaysia na sinagot ng IMG ang 10,000 na expense ko. 14th, free short-term healthcare for SMDs. Ito yung benefit para sa mga full-time ginagawa ang IMG business na kagaya ko. Dahil di na ako employed at wala na akong short-term healthcare, meron akong free short-term healthcare kung ma-hit ko qualification. Malaking bagay ito kasi mataas ang limit and good for 1 year for every qualification. 15th, world-class recognition for achievers. Again, just like any other traditional company, dire-recognize din sa IMG ang mga top performers. Kung sa traditional company, bibigyan ka ng relo pag naka 5 years ka, dito sa IMG, kahit 3 months ka pa lang, kung okay performance mo sa business, pwede ka na agad magkarelo. At Rolex pa ang binibigay nilang brand. 16th, exclusive discounts on all medicine purchases. This benefit is new. If you are an IMG member, malaking bagay din na maka-discount ka sa medicine. Kung senior citizen ka, on top of 20% pa ang discount na makukuha mo dito. As of now, Cebu branches ang pwede na ma-avail ang benefit na to. And soon, nationwide na to. 17th, Vision Care Benefit. If you are an IMG member, aside sa free eye exam na malaking bagay, may free frames ka pa na maximum of 2 pairs per year. More than 10 years na ako nagsasalamin kaya malaking tulong to sa akin as IMG member. At frame talaga ang mahal pag nagpapagawa ka ng salamin. As of now, ang kapartner natin dyan is De Los Reyes Optical. And lastly, or number 18 benefit, great savings in car purchase. This is not exclusive to Toyota, Honda, Mitsubishi, Hyundai, Kia. Any brand pwede ka magpa-quote para maka-discount if you are an IMG member. And malaking bagay din yung discounts on parts, services, accessories, pick up and delivery of vehicle for servicing, additional freebies and privileges. In addition to these 18 benefits, soon IMG will launch dollar and euro bond fund. This is another investment vehicle. Also, magkakaroon din ng IMG stocks online trading. Do your own trading through your mobile phone. Marami pang darating na new benefits, kaya become a member of IMG as soon as possible. Who knows, nasa 25 or more benefits na before the year ends. To know more about IMG, I hope you join us in our next convention. This will be held in SMX on August 19 and 20, 2017. Marami kayong matututunan sa convention and for me, it's the best investment ever. Investment on financial education. Email me at roancelis@gmail.com if you are interested to become an IMG member and if you want to attend convention. Requirements here are you must be an IMG member and pay SMX Convention's registration fee. To summarize what we have discussed in this video, your benefits as an IMG member, lifetime financial coaching, lifetime financial checkup, discounts on financial products, business ownership program, and an opportunity to travel the world. Again, please email me at roancelis@gmail.com or roan@1millionclub.com if you want to be part of IMG. You may also add me in Facebook, Roan Celis Capistrano. Please subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching this video.